I think security is a far-fetched, something or situation. First, you need to change your mindset.
Mentality
has to be changed.
Okay.
And
And
security comes later.
all right.
Because if you see, there are lots of laws and lots of security. You see policemen everywhere, but these are happening. So, basic thing, the mentality has to change.
How people perceive women's safety in India today. So would you like to rate it on a scale of 10 in particularly Delhi?
Delhi, I would say 2. Delhi polices, still I don't see a lot of policing happening. It's just not for the ladies. Even as a male, I don't feel very secure when I am traveling in the nights.
Okay.
If I have to take a taxi really late in the night, in 10 or night, 11 o'clock in the night, it's not really safe.
I've read the latest news of the incidents happening on young women, especially with Uber taxi, the bus incident where the woman was raped. And I believe, being a dad of 2 daughters and I'm married, I think it's very, very of utmost importance if all the people in India would actually get together and go against it.
जब आप ऐसा मानती हैं कि इसमें यूथ का भी बहुत बड़ा
हाथ है एंड वो ही कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर जो जनरेशन होगा उनके लिए आज का यूथ ही ये काम करे.
Internally in our schools, we have programs that create awareness about, like shows and rallies which create awareness about women safety and even other social related issues, which are a great part. Or you can
And the future generation is being processed in such a way that they'll not think like that. Their mentality is completely changed now. So now that it's different. It's not like what we see nowadays. The people who are in 30s or 40s, their mentality, and now we as students, our mentalities are different.
अगर रीजन सिर्फ सिक्योरिटी है, इसकी वजह से बाहर जाना है, तो इंडिया नहीं छोड़ना है.
सिक्योरिटी को देखते हो तो कहीं और जाना
चाहिए. Given the current scenario and situation in India for women, would you like to settle abroad with your family, or would you
No, that's
like
not
to
an
stay
option.
here?
That's not an option. Why should we go?
Do you think that's escaping?
That's
from
escaping.
That's escaping.
We should
That's
face the
like,
problem.
Do you think prostitution should be legalized in India?
I believe yes. Firstly, anyways that is going on in the country.
Yeah,
right?
it is.
So it's not that it is not there. So at least first thing, it brings them into the limelight, and these people will be aware of their rights and responsibilities, and I think the government also earns revenues on that. It becomes legalized, it comes into the framework, and they will be able to approach police and the government authorities for any problems that there is. So it makes a lot of sense to legalize such things.
Do you believe that if prostitution is legalized in India, it would help with women's safety?
Yeah, sure, because I'm a public health professional and I know the research says in countries where prostitution is legalized, let's say about sexually transmitted infections and all, they are all at control and everything can be regulated.
So
it should be legalized.
The myths like AIDS and all would spread more if it is legalized.
No,
they're wrong.
No, they are wrong. Definitely.
Personal opinion, I don't think so. There should be the reason for it.
It should not be legalized.
Yes.
Why? Why do you believe it?
Morally, it's my personal thinking. I know a lot of Western countries believe that it should be that way, but I don't think so. There will be a solution to the problem because women must be respected in a stage where they are. All right. Whether you have it or not have it, there's no proven data or research that will actually reduce. I totally am against it. Totally. Okay. There should not be any dowry. This is rubbish. Okay. Total utter rubbish. Because you must understand, today you can collect dowry. When you have daughters, you have to think of the other way. Your son is getting married. I think it's a thing which should never be even thought about it. Yes.
With this topic now we're entering education. There needs to be education. Now education, if like you say, the older generation is not educated, but if the today's youth, the children,
if you see now our presswalas and all their kids are being educated, so that plays a very important role.
After 30 years, maybe their kids won't do the same of the dowry.
So there is a generation
because
difference.
they are educated, because they would be educated and their children would be educated.